Hey everybody, welcome to FAQ Frequently Asked Questions. But before we get started, take a moment, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are made aware of any question that pops up. Today's question is how to enable or disable Contact Sync in Gmail with an Android phone.
Let's go ahead and get into our Gmail. Okay, so up at the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Select that. Down towards the bottom, it says Manage Accounts on this device. That's what you're going to select. And then from this, you want to select the email that you're wanting to enable the sync or disable the sync. And then it will give you the option of Google account and sync account. You want to choose sync account. So now you can turn on and off. So I have like contacts on. All you have to do is just do that toggle to turn it off. And you can turn it on just like that as well.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. The YouTube gods love it when you do that, and it says, hey, I like you. Go ahead, like it, comment, and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.